that we're not doing that anymore. No more booba bitches. No more booba bitches. I'll tell you what we will do. Let's take a stroll through my thing. Oh look, 8 people. Are you still watching me? Are you still watching? What are you doing now?
Oh man, do I sound like David Walsh?
Yes.
But my dog is alive.
Hey, look. I can stream snipe you. Here's your chance, bud. Go ahead. I want you to see what insanity looks like. Hey, shout out to the Reddit cunts. Hey, what's up, fuckface?
Okay, so.
Hey, you got my attention. What you got?
Oh yeah, insanity looks like this. Just look at it. I have a red background.
Hey, what's up, fuckface?
Yeah, what's up, faggot?
Hey, violation. You got
So,
my attention. What you got?
I don't have anything for you. I was watching something else actually.
Oh.
I have a red background.
Hey, do you have headphones or you're a broke bitch too?
This is confusing.
Yeah, because you need headphones, stupid.
So,
See these things on my head?
I don't have anything for you. I was watching something else actually.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait for it. Hey, do you have headphones or you're a broke bitch too?
This is confusing.
Yeah,
Earphones.
because you need headphones, stupid. Well, then stop playing it in the other one, you dumb shit. Fix your stream,
Yeah,
dummy. It shouldn't be
those
playing
things.
through with the echo. That's because you're listening to it on your speakers like a
Well, I
dumb
had
shit.
one.
Wait for it. Hey, do you have headphones or you're a broke bitch too? See, now it's gonna play through again.
Earphones.
You need headphones, stupid. Well, then stop playing it in the other one, you dumb shit.
How will I fucking hear you, moron? If I don't play also your stream that plays my stream.
Because
You
it plays
fucking
in your
idiot.
head,
It's not through
dumbass. You can
headphones,
hear it.
It's through your fucking stream, moron.
No, you're a moron with no teeth. Where's your teeth go? Where your teeth go?
How will I fucking hear you, moron? If I don't play also your stream that plays my stream.
Because
You
it plays
fucking
in your
idiot.
head,
It's not through
dumbass. You can
headphones,
hear it.
It's through your okay, but I'm for fuck's sake.
No, you're a moron. With
You're
no
a
teeth.
moron.
You're a moron.
Fucking went on
You're a moron.
hunting trip.
You're a moron.
We'll be here later.
You're so
Don't worry
sad,
about
you
it.
fucking piece of shit. Hey, how does Marsha's dick taste? You love sucking it every night, don't
This
you?
is literally me fucking crying out the fucking. You're
a moron. You're a moron.
You're a dummy.
You're a dumb shit. You fuckface dumb
yeah,
fuck.
I'm fucking crying myself to sleep every day.
Yeah, you should. You love sucking it every night, don't
This is literally me fucking crying out the fucking.
You're a moron.
You're a
He's broken. You're a dumb shit. You fuckface dumb
yeah,
fuck.
I'm fucking crying myself to sleep every day.
Yeah, you should. Hey, look how
Yeah,
quick I
I'm
made him
sure
shut
you
the fuck
know
up.
enough about me to judge that. Because
Actually,
shit,
I
they
do.
told you things about me.
Are you smoking weed
I am
out of a
very
crack
much
pipe?
broken. I
Bro,
am just
get yourself
about-
a
I was
bong,
about
you
to see
fucking
that
broke
broke behind
bitch.
me.
Look how quick I made him shut the fuck up. Dude, you're smoking out of a Gatorade bottle, you poor
Yeah, the
bitch.
echo did made me shut up.
Please get yourself some pieces
that-
here.
Yes. No, that's.
Dude, you're a crackhead.
This is a bonk kind
You're a
of.
fucking crackhead.
Yeah.
Why?
prefer
You
that
broke
way. I
bitch.
prefer to smoke that way.
You're a fucking broke
I have a
bitch.
bong. I just prefer it this way.
You prefer
Imagine
to smoke
that,
like a
having
crackhead.
preference
That's
despite
retarded,
fucking
Bali.
confidence.
That's retarded. Oh, hold on, Bally. I gotta make money. Hold on.
I can't wait to hear my Duno over and over.
Bally's
Okay,
a
I'm broke,
fuckface. So, hey,
I'm
Bally,
not sure how fucking crack
because you
smoke.
smoke crack, you
Wouldn't
fucking
know.
asshole.
Oh.
Why in the
Okay, go
fuck
make money.
would you smoke out of a water bottle, you broke bitch? Yeah, right? Hey, James Camp Easy. Dope rig, bruh. Hey, Bali, I'm gonna do a dab out of a real bong.
No, I don't. I
Where's
just
your
smoke that.
bong?
Yeah.
Show off your bong.
Because I prefer to smoke it out of the fucking bottle.
That's retarded. Bali, that's retarded.
Okay, good for you.
This is a bong.
Fucking-
This is
I
a
would have
bong.
to fucking fight it.
This is a bong. Go get your bong, pussy.
Right.
Get your bong, pussy.
Why is it fucking retarded?
Because that's retarded.
I know what a bog is. Imagine that. I know what a bog is. I have a couple of those.
Well, go get him, you
Somewhere.
broke bitch.
That. Oh,
Bali, you're not very good at this.
I don't.
You're very bad at this, actually.
Yeah. Give me a fucking second.
No, get the bong, you fucking pussy.
Yeah, I'm not fucking searching for that one now.
You fucking pussy. It takes me 5 seconds to get a bong in my hand. You fucking non-piece of shit poverty bong having
Okay, I
motherfucker.
was testing my fucking camera.
You
Mostly.
have a poverty bong.
And
Throw that out.
This way of speaking is.
This is a weird way to do a cross stream, but I don't give a fuck. I'm giving you attention,
Okay.
fuckface. You're welcome.
Because I mostly smoke from this shit.
It's shit. Why are you smoking shit?
Okay, I don't exactly feel like I.
You feel like a woman. What?
You're giving me thanks for all that attention, JJ.
You're welcome.
Because I prefer it this way. Have
You
ever
prefer
heard
anal
of
sex?
preference?
The fuck is wrong with you?
Like, I actually prefer it this way than freaking through a joint, through a bong.
Hold on, Bali. I have to make money. Shut up.
Paul donated $5. 44 24. Bali tell us all about how someone from the Root
Oh,
Sea
Jesus
community
Christ.
stole your new lady love too. You got friend zoned and thrown away again.
Explain that.
Huh?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Bali, tell us all about how someone from the ROTC community stole your new lady love too. You got friend zoned and.
Throw it away again, cuck. Ha ha ha.
How
ha.
about now?
Look, you got a platform. Go, buddy. Tell us what we're missing. Why are you being a retard? Explain it to us. It's okay. I'll wait. I do like doing things weird anyways. Go.
What you're missing about what? Okay. Okay, what's the retarded shit I've been doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dead air. Hey, I got all day, bud. I'm making money. You're not. So you have a shot
That
to
was a
fucking...
question.
Yeah, that was a question. What is your fucking problem and why are you being a retard? That's the question.
Fucking delay.
I know it's a delay. I don't want you on my Discord. At least now I can like bonk you anytime I want and just click off of it.
Okay.
So if you have an audience you've never had, you have people's attention that you want.
Okay, what
is your problem?
problem with what exactly?
I'm saying everything, man. Why have you gone on this 3-month crusade of bullshit?
Okay, good for you. Oh. A crusade of bullshit against shit dick? Oh, wait, fucking I'm pretty sure I've explained that one in like 1 or 2 Reddit posts. What
Yeah,
my
but no one
problem
looks
was.
at Reddit, you
That
fuckface. Stop
no
at
one
that.
ever cared enough to read, probably, or something.
You're right.
Because too much text. Insanity. How the insanity of too much text.
Well, now you have an audience that's actually listening to what you say, and you're failing here too.
Yeah, sure, no one does. And yet everyone is up to date with everything, weirdly enough.
Go ahead. I mean, dude, this is your opportunity, man. I'm giving you a platform to talk, to get it out of your system so we
Okay.
can move the fuck on. Hold on. I need to make money.
Lucky Larry donated $3. 44
Okay, but
24.
opportunity
I
what?
hope
Like,
Russia
what do you
takes
need to
Poland next
explain
and puts
exactly?
him
Like, I have a
against the
problem
wall.
with Shitdick because he lied about me. I have a problem with Royce because he straight up fucking Oh, I overrated takes Poland next and puts him against the wall. Okay, good for you.
No, continue on with the day way. What's your problem with Royce? I understand, Mersh. He's an asshole. Get over it. What's your problem with Royce? Why you so ass hurt to him? Explain that. You don't even have a reason,
Well,
dude.
I just don't like the attitude of like well, because it's funny to me. Calling him cock, calling him fucking
But you don't have
king
a
of
reason.
swing. Like most of my problems
Most of your problems are.
well, do I have a reason to make fun of someone? First and foremost, like, do I actually have to have a legit fucking reason?
I mean, usually if you go that hard, yeah.
Most of my problems are with the fucking banning and shit.
With banning? Because
especially when I'm being banned by
Mm-hmm.
not exactly saying anything.
Okay.
No?
All right.
Like the other day,
Pay
well,
attention.
the other day,
I'll wait
that
till you
was
stop
like
talking,
fucking-
but pay attention to this thing. Hold on, I have to make money. Hold on, everyone stop. Shh.
Bleeding to, like, don't spoil
Lock-on-Stratos
the new
donated
Batman movie.
$3.
I haven't seen that
44
one.
24. How are you gonna sing
Like,
for Adras there when you made videos mocking her
Get
too?
it or don't. Like that
right,
fucking.
hold on,
You keep
hold on, let it
implying,
settle.
Like I have this big fucking problem with you.
You do.
And yet I mostly appeared in your chest to like, dude, weed fucking bro, and that was it.
It's not that,
And
Bali.
then
I'll
I got
explain that in a
fucking
second, but I
fake
still need to make money.
Photoshop.
Hold on.
This goes because like
Hold on.
too many of those photoshops.
Adonis-Paul
Those
donated
crazy
$5.
photoshops that only a crazy
44
person would ever know.
24. Bali, why is known pedophile
that
and
was
child
first,
stalker
like,
James
fucking-
Clark in your chat?
What
You
was
moving on to
then
pedophile
just
simping
by
since
the-
women don't want
Me
you?
appearing talking about weed with you was too much for you. Too big of
It's
an
not
attack.
that. I'll explain that in just a second, but I need you to shut the fuck up for like 2 seconds. I need to make some more
Why
money.
is known pedophile
Just-
and child stalker James Clark in your chat?
Hold on. I will explain everything. Hold on.
Is
Just
he?
shut the fuck up.
Show. Ava.
It is. Thank you.
I'm
Very
not
much.
even.
Hold on,
James,
Bob.
you're fat and want to make people kill themselves. Okay?
Okay, now
What the fuck? Like,
shut the fuck up. All right, let me know when I can go.
How
know
do
this
you
is weird.
think he found his way down my stream? What
Do you want to know why you're getting
show
banned?
would point him my way? Let's think about it for a second. Where he would get that one? Oh, I'm just gonna. What the fuck? Okay,
Can
I'm
I go?
gonna have to.
Do you want to know why you're getting banned? Okay, so here's why you're getting banned. All right, you're getting banned because behind the scenes you've been a little shit, and you've started shit with people.
Oh, I was talking too
and
much.
kept
Sorry
going
about that. I didn't want
and
to
going.
interrupt you too
Shut
much.
the fuck
because,
up.
Like, you
Shut
know,
up. Shut
when
up.
it's your time
Okay,
to talk, then
I
it's
know.
your time to talk.
Okay.
and-
Okay, it's my
Okay.
time. All right, just
Explain.
shh. Don't explain yourself now. Just be quiet and sit there. All right? So the reason why you're getting banned is because you've been an absolute retard for the last 2-3 months. It has nothing to do with the words that you're putting in the chat. It's because of who you are and what you've become. You
Okay,
used
yeah,
to,
don't worry, I'm not gonna interrupt you any further.
all
like,
right, thank you, sir.
Don't
All
worry.
right,
keep-
this
keep
is weird.
explaining.
It's never been done like this, but look, you got to do cross streams the right way, and I'm smarter than you. So you're getting banned because of the shit that you're starting everywhere. It has nothing to do with the words you're saying. It has to do with the fact that you've been an extra special retard cunt for the last 3 months. And if you just stop fucking spurging out and be like, hey guys, I was being a spurg. Maybe, we could go back to the way it used to be or whatever. I don't give a fuck. But it's not going to stop, and you're not going to stop getting banned if you keep doing dumb shit. If you would let it the fuck go, most people would probably stop giving a fuck. But the problem is, you keep coming back every day trying to do the same dumb shit.
Oh,
and honestly, it's
dude.
old and it's time.
If I only apologize for my behavior in
I never said apologize.
pointing at shit dick and going, bitch is lying. this bitch is lying. And
What,
I've
Mersh?
been explaining that shit over and over on my Twitter while I still had it.
Hold on.
On Reddit
Danny
while I
Saint
still
donated
had it.
$3.
Well, the first one,
44,
I just got
24.
back
So
to,
you've been
you know,
alt
like,
accounting and dragging people's
See, I can
views
make you
and
shut
get
up.
friends into your bullshit because of chat bannings? Yeah, you're not spiraling at all.
Yeah, dude, it has nothing to do with what you're doing at face value when there's people watching. It has to do with the shit that you do behind the scenes, your little fucking, edits and photoshops and putting penises everywhere. That's fine. I could give a fuck less, man. That's shit posting, and most of that's been directed at fucking Mersh, where it should be going. But then you made the Marie fucking shit and you brought her into it, which was absolutely fucking retarded. No reason to bring that woman to any of this. I'm trying to get at Royce. Well, you don't even have a reason to go at Royce. You're just going to him to get at Mersh because you're fucking retard and can't take Mersh on by yourself. You need to fucking get everybody involved because you're a fucking woman. All right? And if you just stop being a cunt and fucking relax and not be a spurging fucking retard, then all of this would probably go away. No, people wouldn't hate you. But the fact is, you show up anywhere and people hate you because you're an annoying cunt. Go.
Imagine that one biting you in the ass.
Oh, no one heard that because you were muted because my stream matters.
Actually guilty of shit and going for the person who's like, I had fuck all to do with this. Imagine how that.
Hey, Bali, hold on. Hold on, Bali.
Adonis_Paul donated $3. 44, 24. Hey Bali, stop deflecting. Tell us about how you tried to sim for another woman online and she friend-zoned you and did too for a member of the ROC community.
How'd that happen?
No, I was simping only for one woman. I was actually simping for only one woman, which was the funniest thing about all this, as everyone was pointing at kitties and going like, that's fucking, you're going fucking, no. I was just running around fucking telling people like she has fuck all to do with any of my fucking gay attacks at fucking shit dick. Fuck all. And no, I'm not gonna tell you anything about anything because I don't want to.
Well, that makes sense. You don't want to.
I'm not even telling you, I'm not even saying you're wrong. I just not gonna tell you anything because fuck you.
Because you know you're wrong. You know you're wrong. And it's okay, man. I get it. I get shit posted. But do you realize...
that does make sense.
Do you realize the level of retarded shit you've gone through has made you look bad? And it doesn't matter. It made you look bad.
I'm wrong about what exactly?
It's okay, man. I get it. This is fun.
I don't give a shit how bad I look as long as it annoys people.
Even
That
the
I want
Reddit
annoyed,
is sick of you, dude.
Because fuck them by this point.
Well, fuck you by this point. It's pointless.
Sorry.
This is fun.
I don't give a shit how bad I look.
I'm having fun, Bali.
As annoys.
Because even when they watch this, they're going to realize you're a retard.
Are they that sick of me? Because like...
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Lucas donated $3. 44, 24. No one uses Reddit. Tell me how fat and gay Mersh is and why.
Has to say to it is, I don't want anything to do with it. Like, don't drag me into it. Oh, fucking Christ.
That's what he said. He said, don't drag me into it because he had nothing to do with it. But your retarded ass can't even beat Mersh. Mersh has fucking beat the dog piss out of you. And you can't do shit about it but lash out at people that are ignoring you. Hold on. I have to make more money.
CKBI Entferner donated $3 und 33 Cent. 44, 24. Hi Bali, never let your irrational
Aw.
nastiness get lost in your talent. Consider this.
See, look, consider it.
Okay. Okay, go make money.
Mm. What is your end game? Help me here. Help me understand what this does for you.
Okay, like I've been making nasty shit for the people you want to attack, like the community wants to
Who?
attack, you know. Been making plenty of that,
Who do I attack?
but now it's directed at you. It's all of a sudden like, come on, man, don't go that route, man. Dude, the darks. Dude, come on. Oh my god. I've joked about Mari being a fucking... Well, is that even a joke? To be perfectly honest, like, I don't buy this whole fucking... We're not swingers, we're just kind of open, but only in one way. Sure you are.
And then hits his poverty bomb. Dude, what is it your business?
You know...
Why is it even your business?
Most of these artworks has been rather well received.
You're just trying to spurg out like a child.
Because you people are all of a sudden too good for my photoshops and my look at me shit. Right.
And then he hits his poverty bong. Oh, dude. All right. So listen here. I don't give a shit what you do. I don't care who you're pissed at. I know when I have a problem, I go to the person I have a problem with. I don't do bitch shit and try and cause shit everywhere I can. Like the attention whore you're being. Shut up.
Whatever fancy
Shut
shit you're
up.
smoking from. Okay.
Shut up.
Honestly.
Shut up. Okay.
Okay.
All right. We good? Can I go?
Okay.
I go to the person I have a problem with. I don't do bitch shit and try and cause shit everywhere I can.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut up. Good boy. I don't understand it. You have a problem with Mersh, but you want to have a problem with everybody. Frozen didn't do anything to you. Royce didn't do anything to you. You don't even know Marie. Joy Pesci did nothing to you. And yet you're still involving everybody but Mersh. You know why?
Oh, okay.
Because Mersh owns you. Mersh owns you, you cuck bitch. Royce didn't do anything to you. You don't even know Marie. Joy
Okay.
did nothing to you. Here it comes. You're still involving everybody but Mersh. You know why?
Oh, I've been mostly about merch on r/merch. But, you know, sometimes to get to someone, as I've been taught to by that shit dick, is to go around him.
So this makes your family fair game, is that what you're saying? To get to you, I got to go around you. Is that okay? We talk about your sister, your mama, go through your Facebook, figure out who the fuck you actually know, and track them down? Is that what we do? So this makes your family fair game, is that what you're saying?
Well, if I had any family...
See, you say that, but I know
already-
differently.
Dude, go through my fucking Facebook.
It's absolutely
go for
nothing
my mama.
there.
Like, if you find her, fucking... You can make as many she's a whore jokes about her as you want.
See? Tell us where Mersh really touched you, Bali. Why is it that Mersh owns you and cucks you like the bitch you've been? Tell us how you really feel, Bali. Ooh, poverty bong time.
Because apparently you said...
Oh, I can't believe he did that. Oh, did I just delay hang up on somebody? Look, bud, you had your chance, all right? I gave you a platform for all of about 15, 20 minutes. No one else would have done that to you, all right? And if you ever got on the phone with either of the other ones, they're going to destroy you too. And I even let you I let you have some there, okay? Number one, if you have a problem with somebody, be a man and go at that person. Like, there's no point in being a little bitch and involving people's families and all the other shit. And that's exactly why you deserve to be where you're at right now. Because instead of having morals and not fucking being a retard, you fucking said, fuck the morals and fuck it, I'm going to be a retard. You did this. No one did this to you. You did it. And if you had a problem with Mersh, you should have went at Mersh. But you didn't. You fucking tried to involve everybody else. And look what it got you. You're still in the same place before. And by the way, you keep thinking that people are going to fucking help you and do this and that. That's fine. Have fun over there with them. I don't care. I'm still going to do my show and be way more interesting and have things actually going on, not just circling my dick for fucking 3 months trying to talk shit on somebody that's not even listening to me. You know, it's sad. It's sad because if you just shut your mouth and known your role, you actually would have fucking got somewhere. But instead, you've embarrassed yourself. You've made yourself look retarded. You've ruined your name. Anytime you're even brought up, instead of, oh, hey, it's Bali, man, that guy does good work. It's, oh, hey, it's that guy that lost his shit on the internet that time.